Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this flat square granny square, and it can be done in any type of hook size depending on how big or small you want it. I used medium worsted yarn. This is a great project for blankets. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, work a slip knot onto your hook to get started. And then chain 4, yarn over, and you're working a chain 4. Then you're going to slip stitch into that first chain, yarn over, grab that yarn, and then pull that loop through this loop to create the ring. If you need this video to go in slow motion, there's a link down below. If you have a computer, you can work this video in slow motion if I'm going too fast for a beginner. I will try to go moderately slow. So then you're going to chain 5 by yarning over and work your chain 5. So now you have your chain 5, and in the ring you're going to create 3 double crochet. So you're going to yarn over, insert into the hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops for your double crochet, and you're going to work 2 more double crochet in the ring. Grab your yarn, insert into the ring, grab the yarn, and work your double crochet. So you have 3 double crochet in the ring. And if you need it to be slower, I'm not sure if on the phones if you can do it slow motion, but on a computer you can. So I have a link down below for that. Then you're going to chain 2. This creates your corner. And then you're going to work 3 more double crochet. Yarn over and pull through your 2 loops. 2 more double crochet. And then chain 2 for your corner, and then work 3 double crochet again in that ring, and then 2 more double crochet. And then chain 2, and then you're going to work 2 more double crochet. You have your corner, work 2 more double crochet to join with the chain 3. And then slip stitch on top of that chain 3 to join to create 3 double crochet. And that created your first round here, and then you can pull your tail to make it tight for the circle in the center. So it should look like this. For the next round, you're going to work a chain 3, so you can yarn over, And then in this corner you're going to work 2 double crochet, grab that yarn, pull through 2 loops, and then pull through 2 loops for your double crochet. Going to work 1 more double crochet, and then chain 2, and then 2 double crochet in that corner, one more double crochet, and then you're going to work a double crochet in the next 3 double crochet. So in this stitch you're going to work a double crochet, grab that yarn, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 for your double crochet, and then double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And double crochet in the next stitch. And then in this corner here, you're going to work 2 double crochet, one and then 2, and then chain 2, and then work 2 more double crochet in this corner here, and then another double crochet, and then double crochet in the next 3 stitches again, double crochet in that next stitch. So you have 3 double crochet along that side, and then you're going to repeat and have 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet in this corner. And then chain 2, then 2 double crochet again, and then double crochet in the next 3, and then double crochet in the next. So you have 1 double crochet in the next 3 double crochet, and then in this corner 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. So we have 2, and then 2 double crochet, or 2 chain 2 and then 2 double crochet. So 2, 2, and 2, and then in the next 2 stitches you're going to work 2 double crochet, and then in the next you'll work another double crochet, so 1 and then 2, and then you're going to slip stitch on top of that chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And that's how you do this that's how you do this round here. Okay, you're going to chain 3 on this round. So chain 3 and then double crochet in the next 2. Double crochet. And then double crochet again. And then in this corner you're going to work 2 double crochet, and then a double crochet, then chain 2, and then 2 double crochet in that same corner. And then you have 7 double crochet, so you're going to double crochet in the next 7, so each double crochet gets 1. Across, and then double crochet, so you should have a total of 7 across here, and then in your corner you're going to work 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet right in the corner here. Two double crochet and then chain 2. And then 2 double crochet in this corner again. And then you're going to work 7 again across in each stitch. So you did your 7, and then your corner again is 2 double crochet in this corner, and then chain 2, and then chain 2, and then 2 double crochet, and then you just repeat that across. Do your 7, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and then you'll do your next 1, 2, 3, 4 until you get to the end here, and I'll meet you here. Okay, so you worked your 7 across, your 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and then the remaining is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to work 4 double across, 1, and then 2, and then your last one here. And then slip stitch on top of that, chain 3. And this is how you make your solid granny square here. And to start the next round, you just do your chain 3 if you want to make it bigger, and then you double crochet, and the next stitch is here, and then you work your 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and then work across and each stitch across until you get to the round again. And that's how you do your flat circle. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already.